Women, we have one chance when it comes to relationships. You can date many men as you want. They can sleep with you, but they can't love you. God can give you one man who comes into your life to take care of you, to love you. When you play with that chance, you say, maybe I will find another man who takes good care of you. You will never find the kind of man like that person who was taking care of you, who loves you. So don't play with a chance, because it comes once in your life and you never find the kind of a person. Maybe you can talk that my lately husband, he was buying me some of the presents. My ex-husband was doing this and this, and you are not doing this on me. Yes, those people now, they want to sleep with you, especially men. Men, they can play with single mothers, especially when they know that woman was married before and now she is single. They see her like she is useless. That's men, they believe, especially when we have got kids, we have got a child. They don't respect single women. They look like maybe they are like things to play. When they have got fights with their wives, they came to you. They want to come being comforted by you. You are being used by those people, and you divorce your husband who was in love with you, and those men now, they want to play with you.